Hey everyone, welcome back. In this full step-by-step guide, I'm going to show you how to manage projects in ClickUp in 2026. If you're handling client work, internal projects, or team tasks, ClickUp gives you everything you need to stay organized. So yeah, let's walk through it from the start. First, open your browser and go to the ClickUp website. Once the page loads, sign into your ClickUp account using your email and password. If you use SSO, choose your provider and log in. After signing in, you'll land on your workspace dashboard where all your projects live. Now, let's start with project structure. In ClickUp, projects are usually managed inside spaces, folders, and lists. A space is for a big category like marketing or operations. Inside a space, create a folder for a specific project, and inside that folder, create lists to organize different phases or workflows. Once your list is ready, start adding tasks. Each task represents a piece of work within the project. Give tasks clear names, assign them to team members, set due dates, and choose the correct status. You can also add priorities, descriptions, files, and checklists. Yeah, this keeps everything clear in one place. Next, use views to manage your project visually. Switch between list view for details, board view for status tracking, calendar view for deadlines, and Gantt view for timelines and dependencies. You can set a default view so your team always sees the project in the best layout. Automation is huge for project management. Use ClickUp automations to automatically move tasks, assign people, or send notifications when statuses change. This reduces manual work and helps projects move faster without constant follow-ups. To track progress, use dashboards. Create a dashboard with widgets showing task completion, overdue work, workloads, and timelines. This gives you a real-time overview of how your project is performing, especially useful for managers. Communication is also built in. Use task comments, mentions, and ClickUp docs to keep project discussions and documentation connected directly to the work. This avoids scattered messages across different tools. Finally, review notifications and permissions. Make sure the right people get the right updates and adjust access so team members only see what they need. This keeps projects secure and focused. And that's it. That's how you manage projects in ClickUp in 2026, step by step. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like the video, share it with your team, and subscribe to the channel for more ClickUp tutorials. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next